Module 4, Lesson 15 homework, question number 3. Every morning, Haley goes to school with a 1-liter bottle of water. She drinks a quarter of the bottle before school starts, and 2/3 of the rest before lunch. What fraction of the bottle does Haley drink before lunch? Okay. This was a little bit tricky. The wording again is always a little bit tricky, but we got to think it through all the way and make the most sense in our brains. This is a liter of soda. I'm sorry, of water. She drinks 1/4 of that bottle of water before school. 1/4 would be before school. She then drinks 2/3 of the rest. 2/3 of the rest before lunch. And this is what she has left. Okay, now, what does she drink before lunch? All of this is before lunch. Okay, now I know that fooled some people because some people were just focused on this here, but actually you have to include, the question is technical, you have to say that before school is also before lunch. All of this is before lunch on that day. So the fraction is 3/4 of the bottle was consumed before lunch. B, how many milliliters are left in the bottle? Well, what's left in the bottle, I can see, is 1/4 of 1 liter. If I'm going to convert that, it would be 1/4 of how many milliliters are in 1 liter? 1,000 milliliters. And there's my conversion. So what's 1/4 of 1,000? 1/4 times 1,000. Numerator times whole number of 1,000 divided by 4 is 1,000 divided by 4. If you need to do a standard algorithm, 1,000 divided by 4, 200ths. Subtract, I get 200ths. Bring down 0 tens, 5 tens, with no tens left over. No ones, goes in nicely. We get 250 milliliters. If I put that back in here, 250 milliliters, 250 milliliters, 250 milliliters, 250 milliliters. That would be 1,000 milliliters, which would make sense with my 1 liter. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Final answer, 250 milliliters are left at lunch. Number 4. Mwesa delivered 3/8 of the newspaper on his route in the first hour and 4/5 of the rest in the second hour. What fraction of the newspapers did Mwesa deliver in the second hour? Read, draw, write. Mwesa delivered 3/8 in the first hour. Labeling is crucial. It makes things easy. He delivered 4/5 of the rest. So I have 5 more pieces. He delivered 4/5 of the rest. This is the whole thing is the rest. The rest, or the remainder. He delivered 4/5 of the rest in the second hour. What fraction of the newspapers did Moessa deliver in the second hour? Well, he delivered 4 out of 8. 4/8, which is equal to 1/2 of the newspapers. In the second hour. Lastly, Rose bought some spinach. She used 3/5 of the spinach on a pan of spinach pie for a party. 3/4 of the remaining spinach on a pan for her family. So I'll have some for a party, some for her family, and then she used the rest to make a salad. Okay, let's sit here now. I have 3/5 for a party. 3/4 of the remaining spinach. This is the remaining spinach. Remaining. But there's only 2 pieces that I see. So what do? Make 4 even pieces. We have 3/4 of the remaining, which would be that, for her family. Party, family, and this is what she has left, which would be for a salad. Now, all my pieces have to be equal sizes, so I'm going to take each of my 5ths and break it in half. I now have 10 total pieces. The fraction that you use for the salad is right here. It's 1/10 of the spinach. If Rose used 3 pounds of spinach to make a pan of spinach pie for the party, all right, let me redraw what I have above. Pieces. This is the party, which is 3 pounds. This is the party. Well, if I look at that, and it's 3/5 of the whole, but I split those 5ths up into 10ths, it would be 6/10 of the whole. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. 3 pounds divided by 6 pieces is 1/2 pound. 3 pounds, 3 pounds divided by 6 pieces is 1/2 pound 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and everything else would be 0.5 as well. 0.5 and 0.5 is one whole. 0.5 and 0.5 is one whole. 0.5 and 0.5 is one whole. So for the party, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 pounds. Therefore, for the family, we must have a pound. I'm sorry, the family would be 3 sections of that. So it would be a pound and a half. And finally, this would be the salad, which would be a half a pound. There's your salad. My final answer, how many pounds of spinach did she use to make the salad? Well, I'm focused on this section right here. So it's a half pound of spinach